My name is Shubham Mirasgave and today we are discussing about few points of complete cycle of information transfer in pharmacovigilance. Then there is the process and the main role is PV cycle, World Health Organization, ICH, International Conference of Harmonization, and regulatory bodies of USA, Europe, US, Canada. So, for proper understanding, here I am taking one example of my friend. The process, how the process is carried out, and the adverse drug event transfer all over the world. So, so my friend is suffering from ADR. Uh, with uh, when he takes COVID-19, and then he reported the doctor that the what she ADR is suffering from. Then that friend is from USA, and then then he he submitted the mid-watch form to the pharmaceutical company. After that, this is all one comes under the pharmacovigilance center. Then pharmaceutical company fills document and report the ADR, and that is mentioned in the form, and then the ICSR individual case study report and complete, and company analyze it, and company individual case safety report to FDA. Then this software then uh, then they fill the form with the software called uh, farm ready, and he send reports to the FDA, and then FDA's analyze the report and send back to the company, and company find out the alternative medication for this. Uh, uh, and this company send this to report to the hospital for proper medication to take precautionary action towards the measure, and ensure that it does not happen in the future. In the pharmacovigilance cycle is they analyze the report, and all the information regarding to any drug or ADR, adverse drug event, circulated all over the world, and so this adverse event reports transfer all over the country. And after that, if there are different kind of types of regulatory bodies of different countries there. So for example, if in India, regulatory body of India is CDSCO, the report is transferred to CDSCO. Then CDSCO transfer this information to the pharmaceutical company, where all the process is carried out, and after it is transferred to the hospital. If there is patient who taking that kind of medicine, and to stop the medication there and add some supplements to take precaution for this. And here the all pharmaceutical cycle repeated again and again. That's all about complete cycle of information of pharmacovigilance. Thank you.